Introduction. Who doesn't want skin that looks flawless, radiant, and smooth like glass? Achieving glass skin might sound complicated, but with the right routine, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step routine, share expert tips, and recommend a few key products that can transform your skin. Let's get started. Towards 2. What is glass skin? Before we dive into the routine, let's understand what glass skin means. It's a skincare trend popularized by Korean beauty experts, where your skin looks clear, hydrated, and glowing, almost like it's lit from within. The focus is on building a healthy skin barrier with hydration and nourishment. Remember, glass skin isn't about being perfect. It's about consistent care and self-love. 3. Steps to achieve glass skin. Step 1. Double cleansing. Healthy skin starts with a clean slate. Double cleansing ensures your skin is free from makeup, dirt, and oil. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve impurities, then follow with a gentle, water-based face wash to clean your pores. For this step, I recommend CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, gentle and effective for all skin types. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is the secret to smooth, glowing skin. It removes dead skin cells and allows your products to penetrate better. But overdoing it can damage your skin barrier, so stick to exfoliating just 1-2 times a week. Choose a mild chemical exfoliant or a gentle scrub, depending on your skin type. Step 3. Toning. A toner hydrates your skin and prepares it for the next steps. Look for a toner with soothing ingredients like rose water, aloe vera, or hyaluronic acid. The right toner will help balance your skin's pH and boost hydration instantly. One of my favorites is a simple aloe vera-based toner. It's effective and affordable. Step 4. Treat with serums. This is where the magic happens. Serums target specific skin concerns like dark spots, dullness, or uneven tone. A vitamin C serum is excellent for brightening and reducing pigmentation. Hyaluronic acid serums, on the other hand, are perfect for plumping and hydrating your skin. The ordinary hyaluronic acid serum is a budget-friendly option that works wonders. Step 5. Moisturize and lock in hydration. Moisturizer is non-negotiable. It locks in all the hydration and nourishes your skin. If you have oily skin, go for a lightweight gel-based formula like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. If your skin is dry, opt for a richer cream to keep it soft and supple. Step 6. Sunscreen every day. This is the step you can't afford to skip. Sunscreen protects your skin from UV damage, which can cause wrinkles, dark spots, and dryness. Even if you're indoors, sunscreen is a must. Choose a sunscreen with SPF 50 or higher and reapply every 2-3 hours when you're out. 4. Lifestyle tips for glass skin. Skincare products work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Here are a few simple habits that will make a big difference. 1. Hydration. Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated from within. 2. Balanced diet. Add foods rich in antioxidants like spinach, berries, and nuts to your meals. These fight free radicals and keep your skin glowing. 3. Sleep a minimum of 7-8 hours of sleep gives your skin time to repair and rejuvenate. 4. Stress management. High stress leads to dull, tired-looking skin. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing to stay calm and healthy. 5. Bonus tips for quick glow. If you're looking for an instant glow, here are a couple of quick fixes you can try. 1. Use a hydrating sheet mask for 15-20 minutes. It gives your skin a boost of hydration and leaves it plump and refreshed. One good option is the Innisfree My Real Squeeze Mask. 2. DIY Glow Mask. Mix honey and aloe vera gel and apply to your face for 10 minutes. It's simple, effective, and perfect for all skin types. 6. Myths about glass skin. Before we wrap up, let's clear up some common myths about glass skin. Myth 1. You need expensive products. Reality? Consistency with basic, good quality products works just as well. Myth 2. It's only for certain skin types. Reality? Anyone can achieve glowing skin with the right care. And myth 3. You'll see results overnight. Reality? Achieving glass skin takes time and patience, but the results are worth it. 7. Call to action, ending. That's everything you need to know about achieving radiant glass skin. Start with the basics, be consistent, and don't forget to take care of your body from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Let me know in the comments which step you'll try first, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.